Welcome back to our channel. Aging is an inevitable part of life, but what if there were simple, delicious way to slow it down? Today we are diving into the top 5 anti-aging superfoods that can keep you looking and feeling youthful. From boosting skin elasticity to fighting off damaging free radicals, these foods are your secret weapon against time. Stay tuned as we uncover how these nutrient packed delights can transform your health and vitality. Ready to turn back the clock with every bite? Let's dive in and discover how to age gracefully and vibrantly. First up, blueberries. These tiny berries might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to anti aging. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are known to protect your cells from oxidative damage, a major culprit in aging process. But that's not all. They are also rich in vitamin A and C, which play a crucial role in boosting collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. So why not add a handful of blueberries to your morning smoothies, sprinkle them over your cereal, or just snack on them throughout the day? It's a delicious way to give your skin a natural boost and fight those signs of aging. Next on our list are nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These crunchy delights are more than just tasty snacks. They are packed with nutrients that can slow down the aging process. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative stress caused by sun exposure and environmental pollutants. Nuts also have anti inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can accelerate aging and increase the risk of various diseases. By adding a handful of nuts to your daily diet, whether in salads, yogurt, or as a snack, you can reduce inflammation, promote healthier skin, and even support your brain health. It is a simple addition that can make a big difference. Leafy greens like spinach, kale are our third anti-aging superstars. These vegetables are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health and fight aging. They are high in vitamin A, C, E, and K, along with antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients help maintain your skin's elasticity, hydration, and overall health. Leafy greens also contain chlorophyll, known for its detoxifying properties. By helping your bodies eliminate toxins, these greens contribute to clearer, more radiant skin. Adding a handful of spinach or kale to your smoothies or salads is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake and combat aging from the inside out. Coming in at number 4 is fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your skin's moisture level balanced and reducing inflammation. Omega 3s also play a crucial role in brain health, helping to keep your mind sharp as you age. In addition to omega 3s, fatty fish contain antioxidants like astaxanthin. This compound helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radical and UV rays, which can lead to premature aging. By including fatty fish in your diet a couple of times a week, you can support your skin's health and overall well-being. Finally, let's talk about avocados. These creamy fruits are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that keep your skin hydrated and supple. Avocados are also rich in vitamin C and E, which are crucial for skin repair and regeneration. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, while vitamin E helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. But that's not all. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for your eye health. As we age, our risk of eye related issues increases. So, these nutrients are essential for maintaining good vision. Incorporate avocados into your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, or simply enjoying avocado toast. It's a tasty and effective way to combat aging. And there you have it. The top 5 foods to help slow down the aging process. While you can't stop aging entirely, incorporating these nutrient rich food into your diet can help you maintain a youthful glow and support your overall health. Remember, a balanced diet combined with a healthy lifestyle is key to aging gracefully. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments which of these foods are your favorites and how you incorporate them into your diet. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.